Gather your materials and follow along to make your own acrylic paint holder. For this project, you will need 4 metal napkin holders, a metal paper towel holder, clear zip ties, and scissors. Using your zip ties, add 1 napkin ring on top of another on one side of the paper towel holder and 2 more on the other side. Make sure that you are attaching each napkin holder to the paper towel holder. You want all of the sections to be tied together. Do not pull the zip ties all the way. You want to make sure you have everything lined up and semi-secured before you pull the ties completely. Once you have everything secure, clip off the excess part of the zip ties. Fill with your excess paint, and this will make for an easy display. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.